It's important to calibrate the LLP anytime you reattach it to the arm or before any important measurement session. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to calibrate the hard probe and the LLP when you're starting a new measurement session. First thing, you want to get to the probe dialog. This is found in different places in various softwares. In the Cam2Q software, you can get to it by pressing P on the keyboard for the probe screen. From within that panel, navigate to the probe calibration, and we're going to begin with the hard probe calibration. Because it's necessary to take the hard probe off and then put the LLP on, you're reattaching the hard probe and you should recalibrate it. Select your hard probe from the drop-down and select whole calibration. To calibrate the hard probe, we're going to do this as you normally would without the LLP attached. We need to rest the ball of the probe inside the calibration cone and then take points as we sweep into each of these cuts. Rest the probe in the cone, press and hold the green button, and take points sweeping down into the first cut. Repeat for the other three. And your last sweep should be in a vertical position, just rotating the handle. Once all your points are collected, press the red button, and the software will tell you whether you pass or failed. Next, we want to calibrate the LLP. From within the software, select the laser line probe from the drop-down and choose plain calibration. If you are in automatic exposure mode, the software will prompt you to choose fixed exposure mode. Select yes, and choose to measure the plane with the current hard probe. We're going to begin by capturing the plane with the hard probe. Place the probe in contact with the white surface, press the green button to collect data, and we're going to take 9 points on the surface of this calibration plate. This is going to define the plane that we're going to measure with the LLP. You'll get a passing result on that plane if you've measured it successfully. If you didn't, repeat the process until you get a passing result. Once you select OK on that dialog, you'll be prompted right into the laser calibration. The first orientation for laser calibration is a left to right sweeping motion. So you're going to hold the line of the laser beam on the white surface and sweep the arm from left to right while you're taking points. Press and hold the green button and sweep from left to right. The next process will be from front to back, sweeping in the same motion. Press and hold the green button and capture your data. Finally, you're going to go from near to far, moving up from the plate. Press the green button, and you've completed the calibration sequence. Press the red button on the arm, and you'll see whether the calculation passes or fails the calibration. Now you have a calibrated laser line probe, and you can continue with your reverse engineering or inspection data.